All right, let's take a closer look at Velammal College of Engineering and Technology. It's located in Madurai, and its TNEA code is 5986. We're going to walk through all the essential details you'll need as you get ready for admissions.
So right off the bat, one of the most important things to know is the college's status. It's an autonomous institution. Now, what does that mean? Well, it gives them a good deal of academic flexibility. Plus, it's affiliated to Anna University, which, as you know, is the state's top technical university.
Okay, every college has a story, a heritage. So let's dive into the background of Velammal and understand its identity.
The college is run by the Velammal Educational Trust. Now, this isn't a new name in education, not at all. They've been around for a while, with a legacy that actually began way back in 1986. And there's a really nice personal story behind the name. The trust was founded by Sri M. V. Muthuramalingam, and he named the entire endeavor in honor of his mother, S.M.T. Velammal. So after building a strong presence for over 20 years, the trust decided to expand into technical education, specifically in southern Tamil Nadu. And that's what led to this particular engineering college being set up in Madurai back in 2007.
Okay, let's just quickly sum up the key facts. It's a self-financing, co-ed college started in 2007. As we mentioned, it's autonomous and affiliated with Anna University. And for admissions, it's through TNEA counseling. The split is 65% for the government quota and the remaining 35% for the management quota. All right, now for what I know is a really crucial section for both parents and students, let's talk about the official approvals and accreditations. These are the things that really speak to a college's quality. First things first, the absolute basic requirement. The college has got the green light from the AICTE. That's the All India Council for Technical Education for the upcoming 2025-26 academic year. This is a non-negotiable check for any engineering college you're considering.
But it doesn't stop there. Beyond that basic approval, the college also has a quality stamp from the National Board of Accreditation, or the NBA. Now, this is really important because NBA accreditation is a huge indicator of quality for specific engineering programs.
So, which program has it? Well, specifically, it's the Civil Engineering program that holds this MBA accreditation, and its validity is good until June of 2026.
Okay, so what can you actually study here? Let's get into the engineering programs that are on offer for the 2026 admissions.
Wow, okay, that's a big number. The total approved intake for BE and B.Tech seats here is 1,020. That definitely gives you an idea of the scale of this college's first-year class.
So how do those 1,020 seats break down? Well, you can clearly see a big focus on the tech side of things. Computer science has the most seats by far, at 240. ECE and IT are next up with 180 seats each. And look at this, the very new field of AI and data science has a pretty substantial 120 seats. Then you have the core branches, civil, EEE, and mechanical, and also a couple of newer specializations, environmental engineering and cybersecurity. They each have an intake of 60 seats.
You know, it's always good to see how a college is keeping up with what the industry wants. And it looks like they're doing just that. They brought in some really new-age specializations recently, like AI and data science, which started in 2023. And even more recently, just in 2024, they've added environmental engineering and a specialized track for cybersecurity. That's a great sign.
All right, let's get to the question that's on everyone's mind. What about jobs? Let's talk about career outcomes, we'll look at the placement data, and also see what kind of support is there for students. Okay, here's the key number, the placement rate. Now, this is based on the data the college itself reported for the TNEA 2025 admission process, and that rate stands at 70%. What about financial support? Well, students here can tap into some key government scholarships. You've got the Post-Matrix Scholarship for eligible BC, MBC, SC, and ST students. And of course, there's the First Graduate Scholarship for anyone who is the first person in their family to go to college.
Okay, moving on to the practical stuff, the day-to-day life of a student. Let's talk about the hostel and transport facilities.
So, for students who plan to stay on campus, the college has you covered. There are separate hostels for boys and for girls. The mess serves both veg and non-veg food, so you have that choice. If you're a day scholar, don't worry. There's a college transport facility available. And just for your information, the main Madurai Junction railway station is about 10 kilometers from the campus.
Just before we finish up, a quick but important note. All the information we've shared today comes directly from the college's official website and other trusted government portals, and it's all accurate as of the time we put this together.
To explore more engineering colleges, head over to profsam.com. It's your true source for making those big decisions from 12 standard all the way to engineering.